Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you're watching this video, you're probably dealing with a frustrating issue where CHKDSK, the built-in disk check utility in Windows, is stuck at a particular percentage or hanging at some stage. This problem is more common than you might think, but don't worry, we're going to walk through the solutions to get it fixed today. Before we dive into the solutions, let's quickly talk about what CHKDSK is. CHKDSK, or Check Disk, is a tool that scans your disk for errors and repairs them. It's commonly used when your computer is running slow or you're having trouble with files. However, sometimes it can get stuck at a certain percentage or hang during the process, preventing you from getting back to your work. Let's start with the first solution. Sometimes CHKDSK gets stuck because of background processes that are interfering with the check. To avoid this, it's a good idea to run CHKDSK in safe mode. Safe mode loads only the essential drivers and services, minimizing the chance of interference. To get into safe mode, press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog, then type msconfig and hit Enter. This opens the System Configuration window. Click on the Boot tab and under Boot Options, check the box for Safe Boot and select Minimal. Click OK and then restart your computer. Your PC will boot into safe mode and now you can try running CHKDSK again. Once you're in safe mode, open the command prompt by clicking on the Start menu and searching for CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. Now type this command, chkdsk space c:/f/r. The /f flag tells chkdsk to fix any errors it finds, and the /r flag instructs it to locate bad sectors and recover any readable information. If CHKDSK still gets stuck, let's try checking for corrupted system files, which can sometimes cause the issue. You can use the System File Checker tool, also known as SFC. Open the command prompt again as administrator and type this command sfc space/scannout. Hit Enter and the tool will start scanning for any corrupted system files. This may take some time, so be patient. If it finds any issues, it will attempt to fix them. Once that's done, restart your computer and try running CHKDSK again. Now, if CHKDSK is still hanging at a particular percentage, another potential cause could be that there is an issue with the Windows Update service. In some cases, updates can conflict with CHKDSK, causing it to freeze. To fix this, you will need to stop the Windows Update service temporarily. To do that, press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog again, type services.msc and press Enter. This will open the services window. Scroll down to find Windows Update, right-click on it and select Stop. Once the service is stopped, try running CHKDSK again. After it's done, don't forget to go back to the Services window, right-click on Windows Update and select Start to turn the service back on. This should clear up any potential conflicts with CHKDSK. Another issue that may cause CHKDSK to hang could be a failing hard drive. If your hard drive has physical problems, CHKDSK may struggle to repair it. To check if your hard drive is failing, we can use a tool called CrystalDiskInfo. It's a free utility that gives you a detailed overview of your hard drive's health. To use CrystalDiskInfo, download and install it from the official website. Once you open it, you will see a list of your hard drives along with their health status. If the status shows anything other than good, it could mean that your hard drive is failing. In this case, you might want to back up your data immediately and consider replacing the drive. If the hard drive is not the issue, there is one last solution we can try. Sometimes CHKDSK gets stuck because of a disk cache problem. You can try clearing the disk cache using the disk cleanup tool. To do this, type disk cleanup into the Start menu search and select it from the results. Choose the drive you want to clean and click OK. In the disk cleanup window, check the boxes for system files and temporary files, then click OK and select Delete Files to clean the disk. After the cleanup process is finished, restart your computer and try running CHKDSK again. If none of these solutions work and CHKDSK continues to hang, you might need to consider performing a system restore or even a clean installation of Windows. A system restore will take your computer back to a previous state before the problem began, and it might resolve any underlying software problems. To perform a system restore, type System Restore into the Start menu, search and follow the prompts. And if all else fails, a clean install of Windows will definitely resolve the issue. But be sure to back up your data before doing this, as it will erase everything on your hard drive. And there you have it, several solutions to fix the issue of CHKDSK being stuck at a particular percentage or hanging during the process. I hope one of these solutions helped you get your CHKDSK running smoothly again. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.